Hi, it's Kana. Welcome back to my closet. Today is super exciting because I lost my mind and I got some stuff at the store the other day, so let me just share that with you. It's pretty good stuff. So first, let me just show you this because I went to, I bought some workout pants and I went to Victoria's Secret to take them back because they were a little too big, so I exchanged them for a smaller size. So I bought a couple things while I was there and I got this. It's just a little tote. I think I spent like $30 and they gave me this tote, so that was cool. And yeah, let's get into it. So right on top is a book from my favorite author, Tad Williams. I have never not liked anything I've ever read from him. He's great. You should check him out. But yeah, this is part of the Memory, Sorrow, and Thorn trilogy. It's not the trilogy. It's the it's like a sequel to the trilogy, I guess. If anybody knows what that is. If you don't, you should really check it out. It's amazing. I've read the whole series like 5 times. If you like fantasy, yeah, Tad Williams. And he does like sci-fi fantasy too, so check him out. Highly recommend. He's my favorite. Okay, so while I was at Victoria's Secret, I exchanged the pants that were just like this. The bottoms are really, really cute, but I just exchanged these. They were like mauve at the bottom, and I just changed the size and I decided I wanted gray, so I got gray. So that's cool. And then I loved the little tanks so much that I decided to get more. So I got one in this color. And they did not have this one when I was there before. So when I saw it, I have an obsession with stars. The longer you watch me, the more you'll see that, yeah, I stars, studs, skulls, safety pins. So yeah, anything like that I'm just kind of really, really into. Just gravitate towards it, whatever. Okay, that is it for Victoria's Secret. I was pretty good there. But then I was talking to a girl at Sephora and I was like, oh my God, I like your shirt. And it was Free People. And of course I love Free People. And I always go to Macy's and check for Free People. So I did that. And I got this cute little bralette. The back is really, really cute. This like little kind of brown, orangey brown color. And then I got like this one is like a more of a gray. So I got 2 of those. My hair is super fluffy right now. I got a new iPhone, the iPhone 10, and I love it. And when I got it, I got this case, which is so cool. But, you know, I love having this. It's great. I just didn't want to leave the store without it, and they didn't have my cases. So with my 6 Plus, which is what I upgraded from, I have like 5 different color combinations of these. Skulls, there you go. So I hate getting the ones that have like they're 2-piece, and I hate it when I have to buy 2 with the same pieces, but these are all that they had, and I like to change my phone case with my outfit. So there's that, and I love them. Let's see, God, so much stuff. Okay, then I went to ULTA, actually no, Sephora. It's in my ULTA bag. It's cool. Let me see, what did I get from Sephora? Let me get that out. Okay, so much. Okay, so from Sephora, I've been looking for this and it's been sold out, and so I finally got the email that it was back, and it's the Unicorn Vice lipstick. So I really wanted it. I've been watching, and I got the email, and God, these things. They don't come open in your purse. That is amazing. That's a plus there. But the color is so pretty. Let me see, I'll just swatch it, but we'll swatch it like this. Oh my God, it's crazy. So yeah, it's limited edition and I could never get it. And finally it was in stock, so I had to buy it, and it is really, really pretty. So I'm happy that I have that. And then, you know, while I was there, I saw that this was also a limited edition and on sale. It's the Becca, it's like a Becca highlighter, but it's not one of their regular ones. Let me swatch her for you. Okay, this is insane. But yeah, that's what she looks like. And let me just see, I love their packaging, by the way. Let me just see if you can see how incredible that is. Okay, so yeah, I'm super excited about that. Super excited about that one. And at Sephora, you get samples. So I got the Pharmacy Honey Savior. I have a couple of other things I haven't tried yet because I have to get through a lot of skincare. I really need to do that. And then I've got this Bee Hydra gel from Drunk Elephant. So yay, another moisturizer. We'll try that. And then I got this Armani Code Profumo. So I don't know. I didn't ask for that, so they just put it in there. Okay. Oh, also at Sephora, every time I go in there, they don't have this, which it's my VIB Rouge thing that I think I was Rouge in November last year. So that's been it's been a few months. And it's really, really cool. I dig it. They just never had it, and finally they had it yesterday, so I got this little brush. It's really cute. It's really soft, so I like it. I'm going on a little trip soon, so that'll go in my travel bag. That'll be nice. All right, it's all piling up over here. Okay, so different day, but like going back in time here in a couple of days. I went to ULTA. Let me find it. Yeah, I really wanted this brush. It's just like a little setting brush. Really, really wanted this brush. So I went there, and I had also been looking for these, and I forgot about them, but they had them at ULTA. So they had a buy two, get one free. So I was gonna buy one brush, but I ended up getting three. But they're the little Instapop brushes. There's the blush one and the powder one. And they're slanted. I could take one out. I'll take one out so you can see. They're so cool, right? So they just, you know, you can just kind of, and then if you want to get like a little tight line in there, you could turn it around. And yeah, I'm super excited to try these. So yay. And okay, so am I the only one who does this? Yay! I was like, I could use some spoolies. And that's a cool little makeup tester brush. So yeah, why not? Whatever. Let's stick those right there. Always use like an extra little spoolie. So next to Ulta is Marshall's. So at Marshall's, I love Betsy Johnson, just saying. I love her little socks. So I got these three. They're super cute. You know, I also needed some socks because I hate when my socks go down into my tennis shoes when I'm doing my workouts and stuff. It's so aggravating. So I opened these already, but like those two, but whatever. But these Puma socks, they're kind of, they have this extra bit on the top, right? So they're so comfortable. They're awesome, and they don't fall inside my shoes when I'm doing my workouts, so that's a plus. Probably gonna get more of those at some point. I don't know, I told you guys in the last video if you saw it. If not, I'll link it. But I got a really small purse, which is unusual for me. So I was like, okay, well, I can't put this ridiculous thing in a purse like that. It's just not gonna fit. Purse is smaller than my wallet, so. I decided I needed a few little smaller ones to fit. So I got this little snakeskin one, just fits my little cards and my ID and the necessities, you know. And then I got this one because I could not decide. I'm terrible, but it's really cute. It's like the brass colored. I have a lot of black stuff, but I like to have like the different finishes for different things because, you know, I like to match. And then it's just got like the cards and the things and like some pockets here. So that's super cute. I love it. And then the one that I am using is this one. Like Amy Kestenberg is the one. That one's like the sack, and I have no idea what the other one is. But yeah, it's really cute. I love it. Yeah, little pocket. Okay, so that's all the wallets. What else? Oh, Marshalls. Okay, still at Marshalls. So I looked for a hoodie because mine are just falling apart and I needed a new hoodie, and you would not believe how hard it is to find just like a plain, I want a plain gray hoodie with no stupid writing on it, and no, but I found this one. It's like a grayish, greenish, and black striped deal. So that's cool. Just a big comfy hoodie to throw over my leggings. And also while I was there, I went next door to Nordstrom Rack, next door to Ulta actually. So yeah. And oh my God, this is, the heck is her name? Rebecca Minkoff, that's right. I'm losing my mind, I know what it is. But oh, and zippers, I love zipper details. There's that, so it's this. Little envelope clutch, it's adorable. I mean, it's so cute. It's just black inside, and it has like the little, I don't know if you could see that, but it has like the little card spots in there to put all your cards in. It's like a giant wallet slash tiny purse. So, oh my God, I love it so much. So there's that. And best for last. These, meanwhile, that girl I told you about that had the Free People stuff on, it was like, okay, I'm gonna go to Macy's and look, thanks for reminding me, because I always do that. And then she told me there's this other store called Buckle that actually also sells Free People. And so I had to go in there, and they didn't have any Free People that I wanted yesterday at all, so whatever. But then, oh my God, as I was trying to leave without spending money, I freaking saw these. Look at the lining. That's my favorite color. They're so pretty. Look at this. I mean, can you just see? I'm leaving. I left the tag on because I was seeing if they were gonna work for me and not hurt my feet. You know what I'm saying? Because cute is one thing, but they have to be comfortable. I've learned that over the years. But like, oh my God, it's so cute. The little perforated little bit right there, and they're like black with like dark brown, and they smell really good. I love the smell of leather. I'm sorry if you're vegan. But I'm like, yeah, I love these. So I'm really excited. They were on sale. Yay. So, oh my God, they're even cute on the bottom. But love these. They have another pair that is probably maybe almost twice as much money, maybe about twice as much money. And I'm still trying to decide on those. They're so freaking cute. Okay, so now I have a huge mess to clean up. And that was really fun. It was like shopping all over again. So thanks for hanging out with me and looking at all my new stuff. And I'm sure you'll see it again real soon, because yeah, I'm pretty excited to get into this stuff and use it. So anyway, that's it for tonight, and I will see y'all later. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.